subscribe to Pride Coaster Club, and you should too.
Out in the middle of Critter Country, you find yourself the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Let's head on in and have a very good time with it.
Para que disfruten de un viaje seguro, por favor, permanezcan sentados. No vayan a sacar las manos, los brazos, los pies.
Hang on tightly, Roo.
Happy Women's Day. We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Goodness gracious! Right this way. Hello!
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
It's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hooray!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pooh!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear. Look at all those presents.
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Kids just love giving presents.
Wasn't it fun?
Well, thank you guys for watching this POV of the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh. You never ever know what random POV I might film for you. Maybe I'll film Mr. Toad's while I'm here. Maybe I'll film the other Winnie the Pooh when I get back to Magic Kingdom. Either way, this video is dedicated to my friend Andrea, who is a cast member at Magic Kingdom, who needs to get out here and ride Winnie the Pooh because she's an incredibly awesome individual and one of my good friends. So if you ever find yourself out at MK, find her, find me, come say hi, and then go find yourself some honey. Love you guys. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing. And please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.